take it off the roadside, I guess. 3, 2, 1.
Take out your car.
Yeah, I was worried about that.
We're thrown in a lot. This needs to be brought down. I feel like we should just lift, you know?
Is this good, no?
No, I was just gonna bring it up here. Alright, and then this thing goes. You volunteered, Matt. You said I got the cart. Don't
True.
worry, guys.
You know what? It's fairly easy. It's just big and annoying.
Well, as you can see, it was a pretty wet paddle here, but we made it here and we're going to go set up a tarp so we can hang out under there for a while and find some tent spots. Maybe even eat something.
Is that a ghost? This isn't the tarp we used last time, right?
No, it's my fly.
Oh, okay. It wasn't.
I can't.
Which is annoying, but at the same time, I only use mine half the time.
And you could probably fix it with like a
Or something. But he lucked out because pretty sick. You gotta throw some What did you say?
I think I'll be fine. I think it reached a similar temperature last trip and I was fine.
Dude, there's no way it's gonna be bad.
a tiny bit more in. You can see how easy it goes in. It wants to fall.
It looks like it's just going to fall. But yeah, maybe Casey's hatchet.
I'm just gonna toss it for you guys.
And then just stand back.
Well,
Alright.
those rings.
I'm done with this thing for now. Jesus. That'd be
Nice and dry.
Hold on, let's put our chairs under a tarp or something.
No, it's not gonna rain that hard. How's it going? Oh, it's pretty hot. Won't be here for long. Looks like we have a little visitor on the site here. This is a Massasauga rattlesnake, Ontario's only venomous snake. So make sure you give this guy space. These are really cool brown puffball mushrooms that spread their spores every time an animal walks on it with a little puff.
Although some people just like that.
I have no idea what kind of mushrooms these are, but they sure do look cool. If you guys have any idea, just let me know in the comments.
The camera got it.
Oh man, that sun.
Put the lid to your cooler, maybe. Wow, I hope the stars are clear. I'm buying them. Find them all.
Wait. Yeah, I think there's some newer ones. I would like a different style than this.
They have legit filigrane.
Yeah, that sucks to be daring.
But it has one flaw. It has a USB-C slot, so you'd throw it the wrong thing. A new USB-C or a new USB-C.
Limes? Lemons?
Lemons.
I know, I got...
I should check the weather, see if we're gonna get any rain.
Yeah.
But my phone's over there, so that's not gonna happen. But fish is good.
Yeah.
Yeah, the potatoes definitely have to go on their own next time. Put them in a little pouch or a little foil packet.
You got it.